everyone, welcome to FunCraft Kidos. Or if you're already subscribed, then welcome back! Today we're gonna draw a Pokemon character called Piplup. Okay?
But our mom calls him Pulpip. He reads it backwards.
Yeah, so let's begin. So you draw a nice circle. Are you done with your circle, bro?
Yup.
Great. Now let's make detail inside.
Yeah, Piplup doesn't look just like a plain circle.
Kind of.
If it was, we would
make
okay, we're done.
Just make a curve kind of like mine. So done. Next, you make an oval shape
Over there, small.
underneath that.
Oh no, I'm done.
Okay then. You make one right under it, but it's a bit smaller.
Shouldn't take up all the space.
Yeah, exactly. After that, you draw the
Because
exact
Piplup
same.
is like sort of a penguin.
Then you draw the exact same curved line, but on this one, there's a little gap in the between them. After, in the middle, like in between these curves, there'll be a gap. Add tiny looking spikes.
Hair.
I want to say they're hair.
Yeah.
Make ovals in these.
For the eyes.
Yeah, for the eyes, exactly. I shouldn't be taking my line like that. Which one of Santa's reindeer have bad manners?
Rudolph.
Get it? Because it says rude.
Okay, now continue.
Okay, now let's keep like make a little circle in the oval eyes and color.
On this side, it shouldn't be touching, but here, it should be touching.
Some Pokemon eyes are triangles.
For example, Bulbasaur.
Yeah. Good. Next, we'll. What's missing?
The body.
Exactly. Make penguin fins. The bottom should be pointy. It's like a V, but a really long V.
All right, I'm done.
You're done? Oh, okay, done. Let's just draw the tail. Even if it should be soon, let's just squeeze that right in over here. It's kind of like an M, the tail. Can you notice?
Yeah.
Next is what should we do next? I got a lot of
Let's do the other side of the body.
Let's make the other side of the body like what he said. But before we do, leave a gap. And then start making fancy shirt thingy.
Just a collar. As if he's going, like he's done taking a shower or something.
Yes. And also, it should be getting out a bit, like it should be out of the body.
Okay, then
Next, fin.
the other fin.
Okay, where were? Oh yeah. Next, what's missing?
The feet.
Yeah, that's creepy.
And those buttons, like he's Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, we're gonna do that at the end. I was talking about the feet, so the first one is right. Next, for the other, it should be like this. I don't know how to explain it. Next is buttons.
Or the Mickey buttons.
Make two circles.
Make
And
buttons.
if you want, on top you could write its name.
Piplup.
Reminds me of pulp. Orange juice pulp. Now, I'm gonna start with the tracing first.
I'm gonna color.
No,
Just
it's
like we did in the Supergirl video.
Now I'm just tracing.
And I'm coloring his head.
Piplup is blue, like dark blue, light blue, and yellow. That's all the colors you need. New record. Bro, I'm almost done.
That sounds so creepy.
like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. And Minecraft videos and Arts and Crafts videos. Seriously, did you have to make him scream bye? Like, bye! I said bye!
I'll keep adding exclamation marks.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye! And look at Piplup screaming bye to you.